Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in our video today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the color of this background to any color that you want. There are actually various ways which you can do this. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys the different ways you can do this. Alright, so before we proceed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. Don't forget to turn on notifications. Alright, so if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section and I will reply to it. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is to make a selection of our subject, which is this man right here. So in order to do that the easy way, we'll come over to select and we'll click on subjects. Okay. So now we'll just sit back and relax and wait for the AI to make the selection for us. Alright. So as you can see guys, the AI has done a pretty decent job, but if you notice down here, the AI missed the man's hand, his jacket, and also here. Okay, so in order to correct that, we'll come over to our selection tool, click on the quick selection tool, then we'll come right here and click on this. Alright, I'll come over here as well and click on this part, then drag to add this part. Okay, very easy. So you can do this in less than 5 minutes guys. So with our image, with our subject completely selected, we'll just right click, then click on select and mask. Alright, so as you can see, we've made a selection of our subject. So come over here and put this in a new layer. So click on this and select new layer, then click on OK. Alright, so you can see we have two layers right here. We have the subject layer and the background layer. Okay, so what we'll do is turn on the background layer and unlock it. Okay, we need to unlock it to make any changes to it. Alright, so click on our move tool. Alright, with our layer selected, we'll come over to adjustments. Alright, then we'll go over to hue and saturation. Now you can decide to change this color to whatever color you want, as you can see guys. So it's pretty fast. Okay, you can make whatever adjustment you want to make as well. Right, so that's just it. You can see pretty easy. Alright, so this is the first step. So I'm going to go over to the second step right now. So let me delete this hue and saturation. So the second step is selecting our background layer, which is this one, which is this. Then we'll come over here and click on solid color. So right now we can choose whatever color we want. If we want to use a specific color, we'll come over here and choose. We can use let's say red for instance, and we'll click OK. Alright, so as you can see above here, it has created this color, this solid color above our background layer. So what we do to bring back the shadows, if you notice we don't have our shadows, right? So we want to bring in these shadows, right, to make it realistic. So we'll turn this layer back on, then with the layer selected, we'll come over here and change our blend mode to multiply. As you can see, we have our shadows right here. Alright, so that is another step to make selections. You can also change the color if you want by double clicking on the red square. Right, you can change the colors to any color you want. Alright, so that's another step to change the background color. Okay, so another step to change your background color is quite similar. Alright, it's quite similar. So let me delete this one first. So we can create a new shape above the main layer, which is the background, which used to be our previous background layer, right? So we can just come over to our shape tool and click on rectangle, then draw a rectangle above this layer. Right, so come back to our move tool. Now you can come over here and to the fill color. Okay, this is the fill color under appearance. Click on the fill color and you can change it to whatever color you want. Right, you can change this. Let's say we want to use green. Let's use this green. Click on OK. Right, similar to what we did in the previous method. Change the blend mode to multiply. Alright, so as you can see, it is very easy. You can do this in less than 2 minutes. Right, so I hope you learned a lot from this video. I hope you learned the process. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps me out. Alright, also turn on your notification so that you get notified each time I post new videos. Alright,